Today we have a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is "The Strangest DUI Arrest You'll Ever See."
Do something, which is why you're here.
No, but I didn't do anything.
This is being read to you whether you like it or not.
On January 11th, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle after observing it being driven erratically and strike a traffic sign without stopping.
She struck the sign?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, can you shut the vehicle off for me? Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes.
I'm Corporal Ringler with the Anne Arundel County Police Department, okay?
I know.
I want you to understand that I have a camera. I am recording audio and video, all right?
I know.
The reason I stopped you is you hit that sign back there.
Really?
Yes, were you aware that you hit that sign?
I'm sorry.
Do you speak English?
I
You do?
Yeah.
don't.
She's speaking.
A little bit, okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm come from my friend's house.
Okay. Is this your vehicle?
Yes.
Do you have your registration card with you?
Yes.
Can you get that for me?
Yes. Can you give me a little bit?
Light?
Saying she was
Can you
asleep and
give me
somebody started
one
banging
minute?
on
Yes,
her
ma'am.
bedroom window.
Just do your job, and then I find my job.
I'll wait. How long have you had the vehicle?
I buy 2001.
Okay. Is this it here? On the other side? This is it. Okay. Sit tight, okay? Who do you have here with you in the vehicle?
My girlfriend.
Okay. Is she okay?
Yeah, she's not okay.
She's not okay?
Yes.
Why is she not okay?
No, we went to my girlfriend's house
Okay.
to.
Has she been drinking?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
Can you step out of the vehicle for me, ma'am? Come on up here to the front of the vehicle for me. You see this?
yes.
Yes? Do you know how that happened?
No.
No? That was a sign that you hit down there.
No. What I hit a sign that?
Yes, you hit a sign down there. Were you aware of that?
No.
How much have you had to drink tonight? A little bit?
I'm swear. I'm drinking, but I'm not that drunk.
Okay. But you didn't realize you hit that sign?
No, I didn't hit anything.
Okay.
I'm swear.
All right. I'm going to run you through some field sobriety tests. Do you have any problem with that?
No.
I got it.
I'm so cold. Yeah.
So am I.
Do you wear contacts?
No.
No glasses, no contacts? Okay. So there shouldn't be any issue for you to do these tests that we want to do, the field sobriety test. Are you good with doing those?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You're fine. I'm just going to have you step back just a little bit. Yep. Nope. You're good with it. What is in your jacket? Did you throw up in your jacket? What did you just do?
No.
Can you
Oh, what is that? What is that? What? Oh. What is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're fine. I'm just gonna have you step back just a little bit. Yep, nope, you're good with it. What is in your jacket? Did you throw up in your jacket? What did you just do?
No.
Can you unzip your coat for me? Can you
No, I'm not zip my jacket.
Well, I want to know what's under your jacket. Did you throw up in your jacket?
I don't.
Because this just fell out of your jacket.
Drop my jacket, but.
Okay, well, stop. You don't have a... No. Okay, just come over here for me. Okay. Can you see my pen?
Yes, sir.
Can you touch it with your finger?
Yes.
Touch the tip of my pen with your finger. Okay. So when I tell you to, you can put your hand down. I want you to follow my pen with your eyes and only your eyes. Don't move your head, okay? Eyes only. all right? Just your eyes, not your head, okay? Can you do it with just your eyes? And keep your head still, or is that not possible? You can? Do you have any injuries to your legs? Any injuries? No? No injuries to your legs that would prevent you from doing any sort of test at all? No back injury, leg injury, knee, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Stand here for me and face that way. So you're going to put right foot in front of your left. Right, yeah, well, just, okay. And then you're going to take a series of 9 steps. When you get to 9, you're going to take small steps and you're going to do 9 back. So it'll be heel to toe. 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm doing 3, you're doing 9. Okay, go ahead.
Going straight.
Yep, so straight line. So go ahead and start the test.
1, 2, 3.
I said I did 3, you're doing 9.
9, 6, 7, 9. Right?
Yep, and go ahead, do your small steps and then walk back. 1, 2, 3, 9. Got it. Okay, you can stop.
Control.
I know, we're almost done. So the last test, all right? So when I tell you to, you're going to pick a leg and you're going to raise it off the ground. So it's going to look like this. And you're going to start counting 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay? And then you're going to keep going until I tell you to stop.
Now I'm just cold.
I know it's cold. I'm cold too. You can go ahead and start. Are you not going to do this test?
I do.
Okay, so you can start the test.
No.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Unbelievable. What the frick?
1, 2.
Okay, you can stop. So what you're gonna do right now is you're gonna put your hands behind your back because you're being arrested for DUI, okay? Driving under the influence of alcohol.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. 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 Yes, I cannot.
You know what amazes me? This has become a theme on the channel. Gloves. Where's your gloves? You just went through a whole field sobriety test with her, right? But prior to the test, you seen unknown fluids coming from her, right? A red flag doesn't go off in your head like, well, let me put some gloves on. Because you already know that you're going to arrest her. The cop knows that they're going to arrest her already. They're just going through the motions, do the test, whatever, boo, 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 whatever. Make their case a little bit stronger. But they already know that they're going to lock her up. But what you don't know is if she's going to willingly put her hands behind her back and go peacefully, or if she's going to give a struggle. So you always have to prepare for the worst, them giving a struggle. So when you're wrestling with them, you don't want to put no gloves on. You just seen unknown fluids coming from her. Can't make this shit up.
Try to do that. No. Stop. Please.
Got him.
Please.
Put your hands behind your back.
No. Please.
Bring your hands back.
Please. Yes, I cannot do me to do that. Please.
You gotta cut this.
No. You can hurt me with. No.
Item 3, they're
No,
saying
no,
it's
no,
called
no.
from the office on Mountain Road.
Please. Please.
Butt in first. Swing your legs in.
No, please.
Swing your legs in.
Please.
Swing your legs in.
I know.
Swing your legs in.
No, please.
She had vomit or something. That all fell out of her coat. So that's why we originally called for the cage, and then she decided to act up. So
Yes, a little bit of both.
I don't know, but my stomach's So you're gonna have to give me like a second because you're hot property. Yeah, well, if you start, I'm gonna start. Alright, remember that time I was with Craig?
Yeah.
Alright.
That time. If you need to step up.
I'm gonna start drying even in a second.
All right.
I need some water.
The seat right here.
Can I have some water?
Give me some water when the officer's done asking questions.
I told you we got to get through that form. I understand you want it in Vietnamese, but I still have to read it to you in its entirety.
No, I don't understand. Why do you read it?
Because I have to. It's part of my
I know
job.
your job, but I don't understand. Why you need to?
And that's fine. I still have to read
Can I have
it.
some water?
And when we're done.
I'm not criminal.
Okay, I'm reading it no matter what. So that's fine.
No,
And now I have to start it all over again. Concentration of 0.08.
Nobody understand what you reading.
That's fine. Or more at the time
it's
of
not
testing.
about it. I do understand.
You will I have to get through this first, and then we can find a Vietnamese interpreter.
I do understand it. Okay.
You do or you do not?
I do understand it.
You've understood everything else that I've said to you. So
No,
now all of a
I
sudden
don't.
you don't understand this?
No, I don't.
Okay. Issued an
Stop
order of
me,
suspension,
I'm criminal,
and if
but
eligible,
I
a temporary
don't
license
understand
valid
what
for
you-
45
I
days,
do read it.
270 days
Stop to be nice,
for a first
okay?
offense, and 2
I
years
don't
for a second or
understand.
subsequent offense.
Okay.
If your tests result in alcohol
Just stop me
concentration
doing
of at
your
least
job, but I don't
0.08,
understand
but less
what
than
are you talking about
0.15,
here?
if your test result is an alcohol concentration of 0. Sit down!
Please.
Sit.
No, I
Sit
didn't do
down.
anything.
Sit down.
I do. I will.
Okay. Sit. I have to read this. The more you do this, the longer this takes.
No.
So be quiet. Let me
No,
read it.
it's not about it. I didn't do anything wrong.
Other than hit a sign and leave and drive while drunk. Yes, you did do something, which is
No.
why you're here.
No, but I didn't do anything
This is
wrong
being
with
read to you whether you like it or not.
I didn't do anything wrong to you. I'm so sorry.
No one ever does anything wrong. We just bring people here for the fun of it.
I understand what are you saying.
Okay, just sit there and listen.
No. I'm not listening. I don't understand.
You want to read it to her through the door? That's fine. We can read it through to the door because this is getting ridiculous. Stand up. We're going to another room. Come on.
Have some jacket?
No.
This is bed and breakfast. Come on.
The woman was charged with DUI and resisting arrest. She registered a blood alcohol concentration twice the legal limit.
I want to show you something. Let's see.
People here for the fun of it.
I don't understand what are you saying.
Okay, just sit there and listen.
No. I'm not listening. I don't understand.
You want to read it to her through the door?
Look, you looking? Pay attention now. Tell me they don't look similar. Seriously. I'm serious. They don't look similar to you? All right, look. You see her.
That's fine. We can read it through to the door because this is getting ridiculous. Stand up. We're going to.
This is all I kept thinking about. They look so similar. It is unbelievable. Literally. But anyways. Yeah. Here we go. So, oh damn. Woo. I was comfortable in that chair. Damn, I'm all the way down here. I'm leaned back in the chair. All right, let me sit up. Sit up, get all proper. Let me get ready to close out this video. Get my thoughts. Man, she's just way too drunk. I'm curious to see, or I'm curious as to what they did with the friend. I wish there was more body cam footage of actually that. You know, how did she end up, the friend get home and all that other stuff, whatever. But yeah, man, she should not be driving. And those fluids coming from her jacket was nasty. No one wanted to put no gloves on, nobody, nothing. Ugh, this is foul. That was a foul case. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But yeah, overall, the cops, they, 4 out of 5. You know, it is what it is, man. It's always something new. But 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.